We have received Bob, the painted stork, in our facility with a severe left wing injury due to a sharp kite string. It was the third day of January month, almost 12 days before the kite flying festival, though poor Bob was injured due to the kite threads. Our clinical director checked the deep laceration and decided to perform a surgery. Let us see how Bob is healing day by day under our supervision and care. Right now, Bob is recovering rapidly in our aviary. Hopefully, Bob will touch the sky again within a few days. We wish all the best to our feathered friend.